Hello guys, you are welcome to another amazing video again from Elayefa Online Insights. Today I'm going to share with you two websites that will pay you up to 5,000 Naira just to perform simple tasks. And make sure you stay with me to the end of this video because the last website I'm going to be sharing with you will pay you even more than the first one. And if this is your first time of coming across this channel, then just make sure you hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so that whenever I post amazing videos just like this one, you'll be the first to get notified. Now, the first website I'm going to be sharing with you today is called SIDEGIG, and I'm going to be leaving the link of the two websites I'm going to be sharing in this video in the description. So if you want to register for the website, just go to the description, you click on the links, and it will take you to where you can register for an account. Now, I'm in SIDEGIG right now, and for you to actually create an account once you get here is to go ahead and click on this place that says create account right here. Click on this create account. So once you click on that, your account will be created immediately. So I'm going to go ahead, I'm going to click on create account. So once we click on create account, it will load up. Now you can see right here, it has asked us to create an account right here. So once you get here for the first time, all you need to do right here is to go ahead. You just need to enter a username. You enter a username right here. So after entering a username, you enter an email address right here. You enter a valid password right here. Then if you have a referral username, you enter it right here. But I'm going to be leaving my link in the description. So all you have to do is just to go to the description. You click on the link that you see right there. Then it will take you here where you can actually register for an account. So after doing all this, all you have to do is to go ahead and do what? You go ahead and click on the register button that you're seeing right here. So once you click on that register button, your account will be created. So for the purpose of this video, I'm just going to go ahead, I'm going to put in some details. I'm going to put in my details right here, and I'm going to register for a new account right now. So as you can see, this is my main account right here. You can see that I've gone ahead, I've put in all my details. So what I just have to do here is go ahead and click on this register button that you are seeing right here. So I'm just going to go ahead, I'm going to click on that right now. So once I click on the register button, it's going to take us to the next page whereby we have to actually do the next thing. Okay, you can see that this username is already existing as they said. So what I just have to do is to put in a username that is not existing. So I just have to look for a username. This is it right here. So I'm just going to put in a username that is not existing already right there so that we can create this account right now. So right here, they're actually asking us to verify our email. So I'm just going to go to my email. I'm going to copy the verification code that they sent to me, the 6-digit code, and I'm going to put it inside this 6 box right here. So when you're actually creating your account, you also do the same. So after doing that, after putting it, I'm just going to click on this verify right here. So after click on that verify, our account will be verified and we'll be able to make money for ourselves. So I'm just going to do that right now. Go to my email, I pick the email they sent to me. I'm going to put it right here. So right now you can see that I just put in these 6 digits right here. So what we are going to do right now is just to click on the verify button that you're seeing right here. So I'm just going to go ahead, I'm going to click on that verify right now. So once I click on verify, this account will be verified. So we just need to wait for this page to load up and give us the next thing to do. That our account has been newly created. You can see that I have not completed any task right here, and total earnings is 0 Naira. So this is it right here. Task completed 0, total earnings is 0 Naira. Now for you to start making money on this platform, all you have to do is to go ahead and click on this drop down that you are seeing right here. Okay, so all you have to do is to just go ahead and click on that drop down that you're seeing right here. So you are just going to click on this drop down. So once you click on that drop down, you'll be able to pick the option for you to make money. So I'm just going to click on that right now. So once I click on that, you can see right here that it's giving me a list of options. So it's to go ahead and click on this tax center that you're seeing right here. So you're just going to click on that tax center. So once you click on that, it's going to show you the available tasks that are on this platform. Okay, you can see right here that we have a lot of tasks right here that you can actually perform to make money. You can see the first 2 tasks right here is 56 Naira. The first task will pay you 56 Naira just to join Telegram, and the second one will pay you 15 Naira just to review and rate a website or an app. So this is amazing. This is an amazing way to make money, and this website has unlimited tasks. Now you can see right here that these tasks, all these tasks here, if you check from this up right here, if you check from this side right here to the down, okay, let me take that again. So if you actually check from this side right here, this one right here to down, you see that all these tasks right here are paying you 3 naira. But the good thing is that this website has unlimited tasks. You can see it right here. This is just one of 20 out of 1058 tasks that are available here for today. So if you take your time, you perform enough tasks here, you can be making up to 5,000 naira every single day from this website. And I think this is a good amount of money for you to make. Imagine you are doing a 9-to-5 job. You are going to take your time to do that job, so you can actually put in more time, stay at home and do this and make more money for yourself. So if you scroll down, you see that there are a lot of tasks that you can actually perform and make money for yourself. And once the task is done, once you can't see any task, all you just need to do is to click on this forward icon that you are seeing right here. So once you click on that, it is actually going to take you to the next page for you to perform a task. Now, another way you can make money from this website again is through their referral. So all we just need to do to get our referral link is to go back and click on that drop down right there. So once you click on that drop down right there, you can go ahead right now and click on the invite. Click on that invite that you're seeing right there. So we just need to click on invite right now. So once we click on invite, it's going to give us our referral link. Actually, we are now in the referral page. You can see it right here that it says refer and earn, how it works. So you can just go ahead, you can read this through, you can read it down. So once you read it down, you will know how it works. Now, for every referral, everybody you bring, you get to earn 0.67% of every approved user. Anybody you bring, you earn up to 0.67%. This is not really a big referral, but if with time, if you have a lot of referral, you start making money for yourself. So what you need to do for you to actually get your referral link is to go ahead and click on this place that says copy link right here. So once you click on that, your link will be copied and you can start promoting your link in different places and start making money for yourself. So the next website I'm going to be sharing with you today is called NairaWorkers. I've made a video about this website before, so I'm not going to be going into details on the registration process. But if you want me to make a video about SIDEGIG, then just leave it in the comment section for me to make a detailed video about this website, and I'm going to make the video. But for now, let's go straight to NairaWorkers. So once you click on the link in the description, it's going to take you here whereby you can actually register for a new account. So all you just have to do for you to register for a new account right there, just make sure you click on the link in the description. Now, I've made a video about this website before, but I'm making this video because I've seen this website as one of the best freelancing websites for you to make money as a freelancer. So you can make money on this website by performing simple tasks, just by doing small jobs. So for you to register, all you have to do is to go ahead and put in your first name here. So you put in your last name right here, then you put in a username right here. So after putting in that username, all you just have to do is to go ahead again and you put in you choose your gender. If you are a male or you are a female, then you put in a valid email address. Now once you click on the link in the description, my referral is going to be here, so you will not need a referral. So after doing all that, all you then need to do is to go ahead and put in a password that you can remember. So you confirm the password right here. So after confirming your password, all you have to do then is to scroll down. So once you scroll down, you go ahead and you click on the sign up button. So after clicking on the sign up button, they are going to send you an email to verify your email. Now, if you want to see step by step of how to register for an account on this platform, I'm going to be leaving a video in the description. The first video you see in the description, just click on it and it will take you to that video where I make a detailed video about this website. And if you also want to watch a detailed video about this website, then just click on that video and watch the video so you can start making money for yourself. So for now, I'm just going to log into my existing accounts and I will guide you in a process how this website works. So coming here for the first time, this is how it is going to look like. So you can actually hire people to follow your social media page, like or subscribe to your channel by using this option that you are seeing right here. So but if you want to perform tasks, all you just have to do is to scroll down. So once you scroll down, you're actually going to click on this option that you're seeing right here. You're going to click on this box. So once you click on that box, you'll be able to perform simple tasks. So I'm just going to click on that right now. So once I click on that right now, it's going to take us to the page whereby we can perform tasks and start making money for ourselves. Okay, you can see it right here, available jobs. Now, these are the most recent jobs. You can see that just to watch YouTube and comment on YouTube video, you are actually going to be making 15 naira. So this is a good amount of money that you can make for yourself. And in the other websites, it is only from 2 tasks that you'll be making 56 and 50 naira, you'll only be making 3 naira for each task. So this is a good way to make money for yourself, because this website will pay you a lot. Now look at this one right here. Also, it's going to pay you up to 54 naira. This one, just to join Telegram pods, will also pay you up to 54 naira. Now there are many tasks you can do right here. You can see this one right here. This is amazing. This one is going to pay you up to 500 naira just to register to PalmPay. So this is a good amount of money. This is a good way to make money. Now this one right here also will pay you up to 82 naira, and this one right here will pay you up to 85 naira. So this is a good website. This is something you can do every day and make money for yourself. Now another thing you can do right here, if you actually want to see the highest paying job, all you just have to do is to go ahead and click on this highest paying that you are seeing right here. So once I click on that highest paying, it is going to filter all the jobs. It is going to filter all the jobs right here. So after filtering all the jobs, you can see it right here. These are the highest paying jobs. We have 500 naira job right here. You can see it. We have 500 naira job. We have OPay sign up here, and this is 150. Then if you check the third job also right here, this is what 150 naira, and this one right here is what 110 naira. So you can actually go ahead, you can do all these tasks and make money for yourself. Now for you to perform tasks on this website, all you just have to do is to go ahead and click on this view job that you're seeing right here. So I'm just going to click on that view job. Let me show you a little of how it is done. So all we just have to do is to wait for this page to load up and give us the next page. So this is it right here. So all you have to do right here is to go ahead. You need to read through these instructions. You read through all the instructions right here. So after reading through all the instructions, you also go ahead, you read through what they say you should submit as proof. You can see it right here. Screenshot of the page for the code, profile page screenshots, and WhatsApp. So after doing the task, you submit the proof that they ask you to submit. Now they say you should write your WhatsApp number, so you can go ahead, you can write your WhatsApp number in this box. Now if they don't say you should write anything, all you just have to write in that box is I have done the job. Why? Because you must write something in that box for the person that is confirming your task to confirm the task. After that, you can choose any of these boxes by clicking on choose file to upload the screenshots, the screenshot that you take. So you can upload up to 1, 2, 3 screenshots. So after doing all this, what you just need to do next is to go ahead and you click on the submit proof button. So after clicking on this submit proof button, your job will be approved and you'll be able to make money for yourself. So I explained a detailed video about that, detailed on how you can perform tasks on this website and other videos. So just make sure you go to the description and watch that video to get more info. Even on this website right now, I have a posted job. So I'm just going to take a minute to show you. I'm going to click on this drop down. So after clicking on that drop down, I'm going to click on this account right here. So after clicking on accounts, you can see that I have a drop down right here. So I'm just going to go ahead. I'm going to click on this my jobs that you are seeing right here. So I'm going to click on my jobs right now. So after clicking on my jobs, it's going to show me the jobs that I have that are posted here right now, because I posted a job on this website. I did not deposit any money. You can see the job that I post right here, and I'm paying 24.8 naira for everybody that joined my Telegram channel, and I have not deposited any money on this website. It's from the money I made from this website that I used to post this job. So this is a good way for you to make money. You can either decide to use it to upgrade your social media, or you withdraw the money. So another way you can also make money from this website is through their referral. And one thing about this website is that the referral program is better than the first one. For the first referral program, the first website, they will be paying you 0.67 naira for every referral, 0.67% of what your referral downline made. But here they are going to be paying you 5%. So all you have to do for you to get your referral link is to go ahead and click on this drop down that you're seeing right here. So I'm just going to click on that drop down right now. So again, you go ahead and you click on account. You go ahead and you click on this account. So right now I'm going to click on that. So after clicking on accounts, what to do again is to go ahead and click on referrals. You can see it right there. This is referrals. So I'm just going to click on referrals. So once I click on referrals, it's going to load up and it's going to give us a page to read through how the referral program works. Like I said before, you make 5% of what your referral downline is making. So now you can read through this page. So they are going to explain to you how the referral program works. They are going to explain to you how you can earn commission, and they are going to explain the commission program to you. So what you need to do for you to actually view your referral downlines is to go ahead and click on this is to go ahead and click on this view referral downlines that you are seeing right here. So if you go ahead and you click on that, you are going to see all your referrals that are on this platform. So you just have to wait for this to load up also. So you can see it right now. These are all my referrals. These are all the people that I have invited to this website. You can see it right here. So for you to actually get your referral link, you still need to go back to this drop down right here. You are just going to click on that drop down. So after clicking on that drop down, this one right here, you are going to click on this drop down. So after clicking on this drop down, it's going to give you a list of options like this. So the next thing you just have to do right here is to go ahead and click on profile. You just need to go ahead and click on profile right there. So I'm just going to go ahead. I'm going to click on profile. So after clicking on profile, this is going to load up, and once it load up, it's going to give you your profile. So it's going to give you your profile detail. You can see this is my profile detail and everything right here. So you can see it right here. This is my referral link. You can see it's referral link. So all you just have to do is to long click on this your referral link. So once you long click on it, everything will be there, and you just do what? You copy the referral link. So once you copy the referral link, you begin to share this referral link to different places and start making money for yourself. Personally, I perform tasks on this website, but a good way that I also make money from this website is through referrals. I don't play with referrals. So make sure you refer your friends and family so you can make money for yourself. And if you find this video interesting, I want you to hit the like button, drop a nice comment, and also share this video so that it can reach more people. And as I said before, make sure you like this video so that YouTube can show this video to more people and more people can benefit from it. And if you also want to know how you can build a Telegram bot store and start selling absolutely for free, either affiliate product or your own personal product, then just make sure you click on the video that is showing on your screen right now. Thank you for watching this video. I'll see you in the next one.